Oh my gosh, so how are you? This is a new day. It's Wednesday, like one of the last Wednesdays in February. It's the 26th. 26th. And I let my cat out for the first time. And he keeps on doing that noise. Hollow. Oh yeah? Oh. Good job. Oh. Uh-huh. Hollow, what else do you got to say, bud? Seriously though, my cat will make that noise hours at like midnight to like 3 in the morning in 30-minute intervals all night. Yep, just wanted to tell you guys about my cat. Alright, well, if anybody watches this video, I hope somebody watches this video. It's kind of funny. Not really, my hat's crooked. Bye!